In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress videos for Webflow. First, let's head over to a web browser and navigate to Google. We're going to search for a video compressor. In the search bar, simply type video compressor and press enter. This will bring up a list of various options for compressing your video files. For today's tutorial, we'll be using a tool called FreeConvert. It's reliable and user-friendly, making it perfect for our needs. Once you've found FreeConvert in the search results, go ahead and click on it. You'll find yourself on their homepage, specifically on the video compressor page. The interface here is quite straightforward, which is ideal for what we want to achieve. Now locate the button labeled Choose File. This is where you will select the video that you want to compress. Make sure that your file is ready and easily accessible on your computer. Click Choose File, and a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. Once you've selected the correct file, it should display on the web page, indicating that it's ready to be compressed. With the file ready, you'll want to click on the Compress Now button. This button starts the compression process. The time it takes to compress will depend on the size of your video, so be patient while the tool works its magic. Once it's complete, you'll be prompted with an option to download the compressed version of your video. Click on Download to save this new compact version to your computer. It's that simple. Now that you have your compressed video, it is ready to be uploaded to Webflow. Start by opening your Webflow project. If you're building a site, it's often necessary to include videos that load quickly and efficiently, making compression a key step. In the Webflow Designer, look at the top left of the interface and click on Add Element. This opens a pane with various elements you can add to your page design. What we're looking for is the background video element, so scroll down until you find it, then click on it. This will add a section for a video to your page. To configure this video, you have to access its settings, which is straightforward. Simply click on the settings icon that appears near your video element. Once you're in the settings, you'll see an option that says Upload Video. This is where you'll upload the video you compressed earlier. Click on Upload Video, then navigate through your computer to select the compressed video file. Once uploaded, will replace the sample video currently playing within the web page design. And there you have it. You've successfully compressed and uploaded a video to your Webflow project. This method ensures your web page loads faster and performs better, providing a seamless experience for your users. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your Webflow projects.